The Unseen Path, a story of perseverance and hope. In a small village nestled between rolling hills and dense forests, lived a young boy named Arjun. From an early age, Arjun's eyes sparkled with dreams far larger than his humble surroundings. He longed to explore the world beyond his village, to learn, to grow, and to make a difference. Arjun's family was not wealthy, and his father, a farmer, worked tirelessly to provide for them. Despite the hardships, Arjun's parents always emphasized the importance of education. They knew that knowledge was the key to unlocking a future filled with possibilities. When Arjun turned 10, his father fell gravely ill. The family's modest income dwindled, and the dream of Arjun continuing his education seemed to slip away. The village school teacher, Mr. Singh, saw the potential in Arjun and decided to tutor him for free. Every evening, after finishing his chores, Arjun would rush to Mr. Singh's home, eager to absorb every lesson. Years passed, and Arjun excelled academically. His dedication and intelligence earned him a scholarship to a prestigious high school in the nearest city. However, this opportunity came with its own set of challenges. The city was far from home, and Arjun had never been away from his family. The thought of leaving everything he knew behind was daunting. The night before his departure, Arjun's mother handed him a small, worn-out diary. "This belonged to your grandfather," she said softly. "He was a man of great wisdom and strength. Whenever you feel lost, read his words. They will guide you." With a heavy heart but a determined spirit, Arjun embarked on his new journey. The city was overwhelming. The noise, the crowds, and the fast-paced life were all new to him. There were moments when he felt out of place and yearned for the simplicity of his village. During these times, he would read his grandfather's diary. The pages were filled with stories of resilience, hope, and unwavering faith in the face of adversity. One particular entry stood out to Arjun. "Life is a journey filled with obstacles. Each challenge you face is not meant to break you, but to build you. Remember, the darkest nights produce the brightest stars. Keep moving forward, and never lose sight of your dreams." These words became Arjun's mantra. He worked hard, often studying late into the night, and gradually, the city began to feel less intimidating. His perseverance paid off, and he graduated at the top of his class. Arjun's academic excellence earned him a scholarship to a renowned university abroad. Years later, Arjun returned to his village, not as the boy who left, but as a man who had conquered his fears and achieved his dreams. He brought with him not only knowledge but also the desire to give back to his community. Arjun established a scholarship fund for underprivileged children and built a library in honor of his grandfather. Arjun's journey was not easy, but it was his unwavering determination, the support of his family, and the wisdom of his grandfather that guided him through the darkest times. He learned that true success is not just about achieving one's dreams but also about helping others realize theirs. And so, the small village that once seemed like the boundary of Arjun's world became the starting point for countless other dreams, proving that with hope, perseverance, and a bit of wisdom, even the most unlikely paths can lead to extraordinary destinations.